Okay, in front of me is a large tree that's posing a threat. You can see the bark's already come off. It's literally ready to explode. It's a tall tree. It poses a threat to fall over against the fence line and onto the road over there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cut it and pull it back towards the hill so it doesn't fall that direction. I don't know what's happened to the audio, but anyways, I'm off there in the distance, about center screen at the bottom. I'm making some final cuts to the tree before pulling it over. I have a rope going to a tree up the hill, around the tree, and then back down to a winch setup that I've got to pull the tree back towards the hill. I didn't want to take a chance trying to fall it that direction and have it go the wrong way over the road. So unfortunately, it's not real dramatic as far as sound on the video, but it was when I did it. It makes a loud crack. So here it is, going to come down. I just want to make sure that I get out of the way. I'm not too familiar with this stuff, just learning. So not too bad for a first try. Here she goes. Come on. Just a little bit more. Should see it start bending at the top here in a second. There she goes. Gets hung up in a madrone. Jumps down. See, you don't want to be down towards the bottom of it because it bounced and it shot across the road, across my road. So here's some of the aftermath. I shot across the road there, but not too bad. Have to do a little trimming and then yank it out of there. When I pulled it out, I ended up breaking it in half, but it's pretty bad anyways. It's pretty rotted. Well, this is interesting. Here's the top. Here's the tree I cut off. And what do we have here? What is that? Some kind of larvae. Some chupacabra. Is it alive? Is it alive? Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh. He's petrified. I don't know. We're gonna have to go do a little more research. Ready to explode. Look at that. Crazy. Whoa, hollow tree. Can you get down there? Looks like the bugs just ate this tree up. Well, here's one last look at that worm-looking thing. It grew to like over 2 inches long in I don't know what period of time, but the hole started out like a 1-inch hole length, and the hole actually grew to over 2 inches inside the tree, and it leaves tree pulp behind. It's quite an interesting looking animal. It's got hooks like teeth on the front. It's weird.